Hello everyone, it's me Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you this sort of shoe poster design for the social media. So let's get started. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So at first, going to the file and going to the new options. From here I'm taking 2000 pixel and 2000 pixel height and width, and the pixel per inch will be 300, and hit the create button. And after that, going to the solid color and taking the black, that's fine. And here I'm making this one little bit of gray, which is 4444, and hit OK. And then you have to take a new layer and G from the keyboard and draw like that. This one, press Ctrl or Command J, make copy, press Ctrl or Command T and make this one flip vertical and take it into the downside and hit OK. You can make it a little bit of bigger, that's fine. And upper side will be opacity down, downside, and the upside opacity and fill color will be down, that's fine. Now time to take the shoe photo. Going to the place embed options. From here taking the shoe photo and hit the enter button, and then going to the object selection tool, making this one selection like this, that's fine. And now going to the select and mask option for the refining and everything, and make this one smooth little bit and edge shifting little bit of -23, that's fine. And here from here drop down menu, new layer with the layer mask and hit OK. So we got our image like that. Deleting this, right press and apply layer mask, that's fine. Press Ctrl or Command T. So I'll make it flip horizontal. So this one, make this one a little bit up like that and placing over there, that's fine. And this is our product, product product, that's fine. And this one should be shadow, that's fine. Now taking another layer, so making here another shadow. Before that we'll draw a shape which is rectangular and drawing the shape like that in a freehand, that's fine. And after that double press over there, taking this color and making this one a little bit of up like that. Okay, it should be like that and hit OK, that's fine. And taking this one like that, that's fine. And now take a blank layer, reset this one, meaning the black, and B from the keyboard, which is the brush tool, and select once over there. Press Ctrl or Command T, make this one smaller and bigger like this, placing over there, and make this one a little bit up like that. And then press Ctrl or Command J and press Ctrl or Command T, make this one another one a little bit bigger. Now we'll place over there some arrow and everything. So downside of the shadow will make opacity up, that's fine. Okay, press Ctrl or Command T, the shadow which is like this. Okay, make this one stretch like this, that's fine. So downside of the shoe will make some color, so black color. Taking another blank layer, G from the keyboard and drawing like that, making this one clipping mask. Press Ctrl or Command T and make the shadow a little bit of up, and the fill color should be down like that. Yeah, that's fine. Now time to place the arrow keys over there. Going to the Illustrator, and from here I'll draw a rectangle, meaning the this sort of square shape. And now press the shift and hold it and rotate this one. Take a line segment tool and divide this one by pressing here the pathfinder. Here is a divide options, so dividing this, right press and ungroup, and after that deleting this part. Press Ctrl or Command T or press Alt to make another copy of this, that's fine. And make this one smaller like this, Okay, that's fine. And now just here click this one like a here I'm making this one cut from this. We got our shape and press shift and rotate this one. Press. Now I'll make it black color and copy this one, Ctrl C, and here make this one Ctrl V for the paste. I'll make it a smart object. In future if I want to make changes and everything, we have that option. So making this one smaller, that's fine, and I'll place it over there. Alter to make another copy and alter to make another copy, that's fine. So I'll take those shape into the upper side, that's fine. So now saving this project, tutorial, and hit the enter button. Now time to take the text. So here I written over there comfort meets. So here press, so making the group those things, which is the shoe, that's fine. And now text tool and select once and writing the comfort meets like that. I used here the Organito font. I'll provide that font download link in my video description, and here as well Ctrl Command C, and I'll take Ctrl Command V. So here the perfection, this word I'll make it a little bit of bigger, not too much, and hit the tick button. So here I am using here the mountain signature, so I'll provide that font as well in my video description, that's fine. Now downside of these shoe and everything, I'll use some like a line abstract. So copying this line and Ctrl Command V over there and make this one a little bit of bigger and a little bit of downside like that, that's fine, which is filling some dimensions. And now I'll make the opacity down, or you can make changes, these sort of things. So I'm making the fill color down, yeah, that's fine, and like that. In this case you can change up the color. So here the shadow should be fill color down, that's fine. And now Ctrl U for the change of the color. So I'll make color like this, or you can make it white, yeah, it will make dimension over there. And here we'll draw some lines and everything. So here I'll draw a line like this. Here drawing a line, a small rectangle, the color should be white color, that's fine, and taking that rectangle into the upper side of the all layers. Press V and making this one move like that, and drawing ellipse tool. So take another blank layer and drawing the circle like this, that's good. And now press Ctrl Command J, line, I'll just copying this one, shift, and making this one rotation like this. I'll make it a little bit of smaller like that, and making this one alignment properly, that's good. And now Ctrl Command J, Ctrl Command T, making this one like that. And this line should be smaller, actually this Ctrl Command T, making this one is smaller like this, that's good. Now these two things should be over there, that's good. And now I'll write down over there this word, the ultimate solution, here, and text tool, Ctrl Command V. The ultimate solution, ultimate color is white and solution color is this neon, so it makes sense, that's fine. And now I have a bunch of social media. I'm taking copy and I just made the color theme white and neon. The social media icon should be neon and the social media, this written text will be white. Control Command C and Control Command V and make a smart object and hit OK. Make this one smaller and placing over the downside of this. That's fine, and hit the tick button. So press Control Command T. I'll make it a little bit of like that. It makes sense. And saving this one now, this sort of PSD file, and now I'll save it, the JPEG file, save copy as, and now going to the JPEG, the same name and use JPG and hit OK. So our design is ready. Hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. Until the next video, is Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye. From YouTube screens to the brands I know, ASMR, making it shine then, marketing magic, the vision is mine. Oh!